Hello everyone, Mike here. A comparison on these chainsaws. So we have the Greenworks battery. Now this battery works with the lawnmower, and if you have other Greenworks devices, this will work with it. So this one, maintenance wise, is a lot easier. Push to start, right? You do have to put in oil. This is a 12-inch. I thought I got the 14-inch, but in general, this thing, even with the battery, it's pretty light and pretty small. Comes fully assembled. So they do say it's heavy duty, so it should be able to handle decent workload. So here we have pretty popular Ryobi 14-inch. And this one, you have to do the oil and then the gas mix. And then this one is pull to start, as you can see. So I'm gonna be testing these things out and see how they do. Also want to mention that with the Ryobi, this is a couple years old. This is actually brand new, just got it today. But in general, I don't use this that much. It looks pretty dirty. Could clean it, but in general I don't use it that much, so it's not like it's that worn down. As you can see here, to adjust the blade and such, there's bolts. You can tighten it up and then adjust the blade. Now with this one, it's a little bit easier. You just basically have to twist that. So these two, so you won't have to get your screwdriver for that, but also just wanted to mention that as well. Alright, so there's a little quick comparison video. So both of them cut the branches up pretty good. I know some people may want it to be tested on thicker branches and such. Unfortunately, that's all I have in my yard at the time that needs to be cut down at least. So in general, this is a lot louder. Weight wise, this one is a little bit lighter. I wouldn't say that much lighter. This one does a better job at cutting as far as control, but this one, for the size, if you get it without the battery, it's basically half the price of this. So if you already have Greenworks, I did the Greenworks lawnmower review, so if you already have the battery for your lawnmower, this is going to be half the price, and it's pretty decent for the size. It did a fairly good job at cutting through the branches there. This one is highly rated as well, so either one really I think could get the job done.